Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. I'm continuing my low carb Thanksgiving series. Got 2 pie pumpkins here that I'm going to roast. So we'll have some pumpkin puree to make a pumpkin dessert. So I'm just starting from the pumpkins just so I can show y'all how to make your own pumpkin puree. Plus, if I have anything left over, I'm going to make the doggies a dessert too for Thanksgiving. So we'll see. Okay, so the stems, I just popped the stems off. You don't even have to cut them. These just popped right off. If you watched yesterday's video where I roasted the spaghetti squash, this is exactly the same way. We're going to cut these in half, turn them face down, or put a little oil on them, turn them face down on a baking sheet, and bake them in the oven. But we're going to do it on video. I don't know if I said it, but I washed the pumpkins already, so they're clean. Because when you cut it, you don't want all the nasty stuff on the outside going on the inside. I'm gonna have to move this camera up. Hardest part is cutting it. And I'm not going to talk a lot while I'm cutting it because I need to concentrate so I don't cut my hand off.
Do I need to supervise?
I don't need your supervision, mister. I about cut my thumb off. These are easier to cut than the spaghetti squash. They're not quite as hard as the spaghetti squash, but it's easier to start with it like this. See? That was much easier than spaghetti squash. But I also started the spaghetti squash with a dull knife. With this. And this is dull. Okay, we need a spoon to scoop it out. You want to scoop all this stringy stuff out in the middle. And the seeds. Now I recommend if you're going to do this to use the pie pumpkin, the smaller pumpkins. This doesn't have as much stringy stuff. It's got more seeds. See, these are the seeds that came out of the spaghetti squash. But there was more of the stringy guts of the spaghetti squash than there is in a pumpkin. There's more seeds in the pumpkin. We're going to save the seeds because we're going to roast all these. We're going to roast the pumpkin seeds and the squash seeds. Well, anyway, as I was saying, you want to use the smaller pumpkins because they have a sweeter flesh. So it'll make a sweeter puree than the big carving pumpkins. They don't really do that good for pies and stuff. I mean, you can use them. Just won't be as good. And if you don't want to roast your own pumpkin, you can go to the store and buy it in a can. Well, while I finish getting these cleaned out, I'll be back in a minute after I get all this done. Okay, I've got the pumpkin halves cleaned out. Got a whole bowl of seeds here I got to go through. Spraying my aluminum foil with a little bit of avocado spray. Still going to put some oil on these pumpkin halves though. Just got some olive oil and sprinkle a little bit. I'm going to get my brush and brush it around. Now I'm not going to salt and pepper and season this. You can go ahead and add cinnamon or whatever you want to it while it bakes if you want it to bake in there. But I'm probably going to use some of this for the dogs, so I don't want any seasonings on mine. I'll season it when I make the pie, or not actually going to be a pie, but when I make the dessert. Okay, 400 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, they're out of the oven. See how they're caving in? They're done. That's just the rinds are soft. We're going to let it cool. And see, it is just falling out of the rind. This is the part you want to save. Just want to scoop it all out. So I'm going to scoop all the pumpkin out. I'm going to store it in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow I will make the dessert. So we've got about 7 cups of pumpkin here. So we'll be back tomorrow to finish up. Okay, back to the pumpkin. So all you need to do to turn this into puree is stick it in a blender. Blend it until it's smooth. That's all there is to it. I'm going to make a Pecan Pumpkin Crisp, and I'm going to need 15 ounces of pumpkin puree for the recipe. So I'm going to go turn this into puree. I'm just going to stick it in my blender, blend it till it's smooth, and I'll be right back. There's my pumpkin puree. That's about 15 ounces.